where they get these security guards at. They must put an ad saying, whoever don't watch Street Outlaws, we're looking for security guards.
Say Kai or Scott?
Kai.
Yeah, you going in. Everything?
Yeah.
Right.
Stop. Here.
Alright. Thank you.
Anybody with you?
Yeah.
John Patrick?
Yeah, no, right here. No, ain't nobody with me.
Kai?
God.
Kai.
Look at that.
What the?
That was a horse fight.
Holy
Dude, hey.
shit. The
that
biggest
thing-
horse fly
that
I
thing
ever saw in my life.
was like that big. Hey.
I thought y'all like...
That thing was like
Holy
that
shit.
big.
Oh my god, Chase, that thing was ginormous. That's bigger than the ones I see in the south. That was like, I swear, like
yeah, that was a big one.
Historic, what do you call it?
I thought you seen somebody naked or something.
No, Kai.
It was
like,
big
you
enough
just
to
wait
meet
till
us.
you see that big ass thing. Oh my god. I saw it was like this big.
It was huge.
Yeah.
It made a thump
Might as well
whenever it
call
hit the
like
window.
an elephant fly, not a horse fly. That was like an elephant. That thing is huge.
I think you just the sidewalk system.
No, if you saw that mother effer, you'd be like,
Back in my day, if I got hungry, I'd just eat them horse flies.
So we're out here in Virginia, Motorsports Park, and the last race, we were 2,630 pounds. It was like 105 pounds overweight. So it's been 3 weeks that we had off. I've done everything I could to get as much weight out of the car as possible. We're hoping for 100 pounds. So we got the car together, about to go down to the scales and see what we got. Hopefully things 25-25 will be right at weight, and we don't have to race all these other cars overweight anymore. Let's go see. 40-something pounds, 50.
It should have been way more than that, man. Jump in.
25-65. Hell, I took out more than that in just a weight cut. Damn near. $70 it says. Oh my God, that's hot. It ain't changed much, if anything. Push it forward. Stop right there. Hold the brake.
Where's Kai? Is he giving autographs right now?
Yep. Alright, let go.
Taking your autograph?
Yeah. Let go. Let go.
Adam, come on, man.
No, we took 50 pounds off the car. It's easier, right? That's what you're supposed to do.
Well, Adam, these scales are a little high.
And that's fine. I mean, I got a percentage is all that's happening.
Man, all the kids just went that way. You missed
Just like every other race, already having generator problems. I thought you said before we left you wasn't going to have no more generator problems. No, man. Ain't nothing else you can do. Brand new generator. You'll be an asshole.
This is for the YouTube?
Yeah.
Well, you gotta tell me. We on the YouTube!
Why you think I was beating around the bush? So that was a pretty good first round hit. We raced Bobby. I planned to guess on him, but for some reason. I got up there and lit up both bulbs and lost count and freaked out, so I didn't get some. I actually left a little late, but beat by a couple cars. Teammates, so nothing to brag about, but getting that 60 pounds out of the car definitely shows the difference. The fast G-meter and the drive shaft is perfect, so we got something to work with.
You gonna make one?
But
Brush pass?
I just got back.
Oh.
I thought we had to 11 o'clock.
I mean, not.
Because I was supposed to race Jerry Bird, and he said that you said we had to 11 o'clock, and he was going to race the other guy. And then me and him could race after that.
Well, he's ready. How long do you need?
But he's racing the other guy.
Oh, Carmen?
Yeah.
All right.
Me and him was supposed to race, but he said that we had to 11, and he wanted to race me.
Well, that's the curfew. I don't know if there's gonna be a third grudge period. They're starting the second one right now, so they'll probably go like 45 minutes.
More than 135.
Yeah, that's terrible. We just got back.
Okay.
And it takes
I'll
us
come
like,
check in and
it takes
see
us
how-
like 45 minutes to turn it around.
40.
We got a little of that radiator.
Do you have to be at 100?
Yeah. 100 to start working on it.
Yeah.
Coming from the converter. It might just be the bad.
All right, so hi Kelley. Having issues over here in the left lane.
Converter bolts.
You can hear it when it's running.
Yeah?
All right, so Kai Kelley can be put on a clock.
I don't feel anything. It's not loose.
Bad. Maybe it's just a starter.
That's what I'm hoping it's a starter. Just bump the starter one.
Fire it up.
Yeah, it's a starter.
Hang on, don't touch them.
Kai Kelley's got 2 minutes.
I got you on the clock,
Get this figured out.
Hit it again. I think it's a starter. Start it up once.
Justin Swanstrom is my son.
say?
What?
I'm trying to finish the video.
Okay.
All right, so-
everyone. I'm sorry I didn't get no footage. What race we're at? This can be bloopers, right? At
Yeah.
Virginia, but we're working hard on the next race to get you some behind the scenes footage. But as you can see, this house is a mess. It's a freaking disaster.
From the
Got a lot
hurricane.
of freaking work to do. And yeah, we got a lot of shit to do.
Figure out how to put this shutter back on. It blew off. So that is the Virginia recap. Thanks for watching.
Oh, look
Gotta
at
make
these
sure-
guys. Here, you can see these.
Yeah, man, I'm trying to film.
Oh, look
Make
at
sure
these.
y'all like
look,
it.
look.
Oh, fuck it.
These are cool, huh? What do you think about that?
Yeah, it's nice.
You don't even care.
That's because I was trying to finish the video and you just.
Whatever. I'm excited. Sorry that you're not.
Anyway, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. We're new to this
like,
YouTube deal.
subscribe. Look at
It's
that.
something y'all. If it's something y'all don't like or something y'all want to see, make sure y'all put it in the comments below and we'll make it happen.
Look at that, Strudely.